For one of our centerpieces, we're going to use votive. There are a variety of ways you can do this. You can purchase very beautiful votive holders that are in different sizes, or you could build a base with your floral foam, but I chose to use jute and a paper towel roll to make these candle holders. So I measured the distances that I wanted, the different heights that I wanted, and simply cut it off. So that I would have 3 different heights. And then I just took the jute, good old Elmer's glue, spread some Elmer's glue about, an inch down all the way around, and started gluing on the jute. And I just kept going around the paper towel, one row after another. It glued on very, very easily. I waited just a little bit, put a bit of glue around the top of the jute and the paper towel holder, and set my little glass votive on, and as you can see, it's very well set. And then of course you can just put your little candles in it. Now another thing that you can do with this once you've done covering it is to glue on some leaves of different sizes and different colors, if that's the look that you would want to have on your centerpiece, or perhaps even some of the little plastic rings that you can buy for Halloween and give it somewhat of a Halloween look. And those will glue right on. They're not going to stick if you just try to do this, but if you glue them either with a hot glue gun or even your Elmer's glue, they'll stick on. The thing with the Elmer's glue is that you'd have to hold it, but if you use your hot glue gun, you can just simply put them on around. So that is a simple, inexpensive way to make votive candle holders out of a paper towel holder and jute.